So my name is Gabriel Rosales. I was trying to find something for credentialing. So, some type of school or some credentialing body that gave some, structured training. And Detail King just kept coming up. There's so many times that you read about either a product or a service. And then when you get there or purchase it or have the service performed, it just doesn't quite live up. And it's really refreshing to see that Detail King lived up to everything that they marketed themselves to be.
My name is Justin Labato. I am the lead global consultant for Buff & Shine Manufacturing. As I always tell people, training and going to different trainings is continued education. It's investing in yourself. Detail King has been hosting and offering trainings for over 20 years. And they're very well known for that on a national level. And they've got a very well put together training curriculum, whether it just be for ceramic coatings and paint correction or for the whole traditional in and out exterior interior detailing. I like working with them because they are very well rounded from the product side to the training side.
I can't emphasize enough how everybody was kind and courteous, but also very thorough and knowledgeable. You can tell that everybody we interacted with, they seem to really like what they do, love what they do. But not only that, they're so open to passing that on. I can't stress enough how important that is, just to learning. People like us who want to learn something new.